So, what's up, guys? Welcome to OMG. So, today it's going to be an ultimate review on Bonus Junkies. So, stay till the end because we are going to discover a lot of new interesting things in this website. So, Bonus Junkies is one of the website which says we can earn money by doing simple tasks such as survey taking or entering a poll. Doing some task, we can earn money. That's what the whole idea about this Bonus Junkies is. So this is their website. They have also given some payment proofs. You can see that from the screenshot which the user would have given or uploaded. So we'll be reviewing everything about this site, so make sure that you're going to stay till the end. It's a quite a bit long review, but then I think it will be fun and it will be really nice. So I want you all to be there till the end. They have given that you can earn $1,000 per day, like it's ultimate minimum they have said. So we are going to review everything. Can you actually I am really guessing it out whether you guys know about this website or not, but this is one of the website which I am getting from a lot of my friends, that you can actually earn $1,000 per day. And do you think anyone in this world will be giving you $1,000 for just doing a survey task, or very minimal task? Will someone be giving you $1,000 per day? I thought it was like, it should be a fun to review this one. So I just took this one for review and I'm going to do this. First of all, you have to clearly note this home page, because there are so many interesting things in this home page which I'm going to tell you if you haven't noted it for now. So just I'm going to sign up for this website. I'm going to fill my name, email ID, password, everything. So I'm all set up. I have signed in to this website. So meanwhile it's getting redirected. I'm using one of my email ID which I am not using for any personal information. So make sure you don't use your main email ID, because it's really risk to lose your data. If you think your information is really important, don't use any of your important email IDs. See, after signing up, I got $30. Will anyone in this world can give you $30 for just signing into a website like this? So see, they have also given, if I refer someone and if that person clicks on this website, you will be getting $2. And if that person is signing up with your referral ID, you will be getting $15. And now, that being said, you can earn $50 for uploading a YouTube video, and $50 for uploading Facebook video, and $50 for Facebook post, and $50 for Instagram post. So you'll be getting everything when you are uploading it in certain format. That format is like, you have to tell them the Bonus Junkies is really legit, it's really good, it's not a spam, it's really nice, I have earned around $1,000. I have to tell a lie, I have to make a video like that. So that's how you will be getting $50. And you have to paste the description and tag which they have given when you click onto the YouTube. So now I'll be getting $60 if I attend the survey. Now I'm going to check whether I'll be getting it or not. Now I have clicked on to survey. See, can you see, this is the first thing. They have redirected me to the website, but I have clicked to Bonus Junkies website, but they are redirecting me to another website to complete the survey. I'll be doing the survey now. I think they will be asking me some personal questions. I'm not sure. I'll be doing it now. And I have to tell you that, can you see the URL of this website? It says publisher offer. So I think this is some affiliate ID. So how you have to check that? First, you have to check with whether it's a publisher or affiliate, because both are same, and it will be on the URL. You have to check it. You'll be able to know that from the URL. So as far as I know, this Bonus Junkies are taking that CPL. I would have already told you about affiliate marketing, and one of the model is CPL. CPL stands for cost per lead. Lead is nothing but grabbing email IDs or taking like these kind of surveys. You can earn money. You have to make people do this. So they are earning money by making us do a lot of surveys from the affiliate link, from their affiliate links. So this is one of their affiliate links. They are promoting this one. Now we are doing it for them. They will be earning money once we finish the survey. I don't know really why are they asking for hour of the day. They are asking me some simple questions, and mostly it is my personal questions. And while doing this one, I would also like to tell you one interesting thing about this website is that they claim that they are the #1 influencer. For example, let's take Facebook. So Facebook or Instagram, everything is under Facebook only now. So taking that in consideration, they are having millions and millions of users. They have registered members on them. So they can claim that if these people are taking it as #1 influencer, then what about Facebook? How can they even compare it with them? I don't know. Then are they making that much million dollars from this website? I think most of them wouldn't be knowing about this website at all. So how can they claim that? So that itself is a false claim. Now these surveys, as you can see the URL, I think most of you would be noting that URL, it keeps redirecting, which means they are redirecting me to another affiliate link which they will be earning. It is like endless. I have tried this for more than 2 to 3 hours of survey. See, it keeps redirecting. The survey isn't like, it's not ending itself. It's endless. It's keep on going on, another one, it's moving like that unless and until I close this tab. It isn't ending at all. After doing this for around 30 to 45 minutes, they'll be saying this one: sorry, you do not meet our requirements. And why the hell are they asking me to do all these surveys? Like hell a lot of surveys. It's not just one actually, as they are claiming here. It will be taking around 5 to 10 minutes. Not like that. Okay, as I haven't earned anything from the last survey, I'm just planning to do another one. Let us see. See, even in this one, it's redirecting me to another site which is not under Bonus Junkies. Obviously, this is not under Bonus Junkies. Fine. I'm not going to proceed with this one. I'm not interested in wasting my another half an hour or 45 minutes. So, as far as I know, they are just collecting leads from everyone and earning money from that. That is what I can get from their website after doing this one. Now I'm going to check whether this Bonus Junkies, whether it is registered on 2015 as they have said. We'll check that. Now this is voice record, which will tell you when this domain ID is registered. Now it is registered under Namecheap, and see, look at the date. It's just 77 days old. If you go and check on the about section of this Bonus Junkies, they will be telling you this is from 2015. Now how can that be possible when this Bonus Junkies domain is just registered 77 days ago? Now look at this location of the IP address. I'm not sure whether that one is true or not, but this domain ID is registered just 77 days ago, but the website claims that the Bonus Junkies is from 2015 and it is legit, and how every year it was growing. They have shown those flowchart and all in their website. So I think this itself is a fake. They are claiming their see, now they have shown 2015 was the beginning, 2016 was uprising, and they have shown it in a flowchart kind of thing as they have grown. See, it's just 77 days old. I don't know how they can even claim those things and all. So what you can take out from this point is that it is actually they have forgotten to edit that name. See, can you see in the 2015 box they have listed it out as Survey Junkies. So this website is actually Survey Junkies. Survey Junkies was terminated because it had got very bad reputation among people in social media and other media. So they thought they can no longer do anything with that website, so they just closed it one day. They just terminated it on one fine day, and they created this Bonus Junkies on March, I think March 1st or something around March. Yeah, so they created this website. Now the Survey Junkies is running under the name of Bonus Junkies. See, actually they forgot to change most of the things from Survey Junkies to Bonus Junkies in this website. I'm going to show you everything. This is going to be real fun. Now let me show you what this YouTube task will be asking you to do. As you can see on the screen, they have asked you to make it like, even the title, description and tags they have already given you, which says that this will be giving you $15 when you refer someone, and if that person is signing up you will be getting $15, and you will be getting $2 if they just click your the link, your referral link. And they have also given you that Bonus Junkies lets you make legit money from your social media. They have already given you a title, like a ready-made title that is fake. You won't get anything from this website, but they have already given you. They have asked you to lie about the so moreover they have just asked you to review it and tell everyone that this Bonus Junkies is legit. So that's what they are up to, and they want to make everyone whoever is doing this task to tell the others fake review about this Bonus Junkies in order to earn $50. And I have forgotten to tell you another one thing is that when you click on to the task wall and do another offer, they will be telling you that you have to do it, you cannot do it in the same device that you have just completed one task, because multiple tasks you can do it with another, like with your another mobile or another computer. So that itself tells you that it's affiliate link that they are providing. But before we continue with this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now in this part we'll be looking on to the payment proof, whether it is legit or not. Now just have a look at this one, the second payment proof, which I have provided a screenshot of someone getting payment from the Bonus Junkies. So have a look at that, and we'll be going to another website called Tap to Earn, which is also a similar website which gives you money for doing simple tasks like attending a survey or attending a poll. You'll be getting a lot of money. That's what this website is also about. So look at the payment proof. They've already uploaded a few payment proof. Now look at this one. This one and this one, both of them are same. They have just copied the image and uploaded in their website. Now this is not the true payment proof of Bonus Junkies. See, this itself is fake. Payment proofs are fake. They have made it already. Now just type OG task in Google and see, it will give you Survey Junkies at the bottom description of the website description. They have forgot to edit it. It's actually Survey Junkies duplicate website, OG ads. Now can you see, OG ads is having the similar website design of Bonus Junkies. So have they copied OG ads from Bonus Junkies, or Bonus Junkies is a copy of OG ads? I don't know. You have to find it out. Now look at the testimonials. Note the names of all these people: Ashley, Michael, Jason, Brian. Look at this name. So have these names registered. Now we are going to cross check this one. Now look at OG task. They have similar name. They have testimonials are so similar from Bonus Junkies. So they both are same. They have actually copied. I don't know which website copied it first. I think Bonus Junkies copied it from OG task. Who knows? I don't know. Now look at this one. This is another interesting one. In the Bonus Junkies homepage, you can see the name of this website as Bonus Junkies, but the screenshots below shows Survey Junkies. Look at that one below, which shows mobile, desktop, everything, which shows Survey Junkies. Yeah, you can actually make out from this one itself. Now Another interesting part is the social media icon button. Click onto it. You will not be redirected to anywhere. It's just a button showing it. Now if you open it in another tab, you will be seeing this same Bonus Junkies homepage. Nothing is linked with the social media icon. See, so that's all about the review, guys. And if you want another cross check, I can give you a tip. Just search for Bonus Junkies owner. You won't be able to find that person. You will be redirected in the Google first page itself. The first search that comes when you type owner of Bonus Junkies, you will get Survey Junkies website only. So now that being said, never ever give your personal information to any website that asks for your personal information in turn of money, because your personal information and details are much important than earning money by giving it. Don't sell it. It's just like selling. These people will collect your personal information and sell it to third party, and they will be earning. So stay tuned. We'll be reviewing more website, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.